Hi there, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and this is free audit of the website shop32.co. I'm on the homepage, and I really love that you have got sliding images with tagline, which is perfect. Okay, so there is subscribe to newsletter, some kind of offer. It would be great to link it to the sign up page so people can click it and subscribe to your newsletter. It will definitely help improve your conversion rate. But there is nicely organized top menu, which is perfect. Remember to optimize those sliding images as well, so they are linked to the relevant collections. And obviously, add call to actions such as shop now, so people can click and shop these items. Okay. Most popular product collections. You can optimize the title a little bit better for SEO, so you can tell shop our home essentials, shop our sunglasses, and so on. So it gives Google a little bit more information what you are offering. Okay, all shirts. Find yourself. I'm not sure how it relates to the rest of the homepage. This image would belong more to like outdoor adventure website. It's not really linked. It doesn't have call to action, so I'm not sure how it improves your conversion rate. So think about optimizing those kind of elements for conversion rate and for sales. So there's more collections here. Okay, while we are here. Okay, quality product at affordable price. So that's quite a unique tagline. Okay, right. Partner products. Okay, so you've got you're still using the free email address. So remember to build your authority by using professional email address. It will be much better for your conversion rate. Your refund policy looks great. However, remember to add your address so people can know where to return the product, and obviously add also your email address so people know how to contact you, how to request a refund, how the process works. Okay, under hats you've got only 2 products, so consider organizing the collections a little bit better, so people don't find like single or just 2 products when they click the collection. Remember to reduce the number of clicks, so you can add the products to more general collections such as fashion accessories, women's accessories. So it makes browsing easier, so people don't have to do all the hard work of clicking and clicking back, clicking forth, clicking back. It will definitely help your conversion rate further. Okay, the product page definitely needs optimization. Consider displaying add to cart above the fold, and make sure that the product image is displayed in full above the fold. It feels like it's cut off in half on the screen. So above the fold is the area displayed. Without scrolling down, you can reduce these variants to be displayed in the form of drop-down menu. So they take less space, and then the add to cart would be displayed higher on the page. So the above the fold would look like that, would be much better. And add to cart feels like it's really lost on a page. You can optimize it better so it jumps out. It really prompts people to click and shop. You can change the color, make it red, make it orange, make it yellow, so it really stands out and prompts people to take action to click and shop. The partner products don't really match what you're offering, so remember to optimize this element. Maybe you can partner up with retailers that sell similar style clothing as well. If you like this audit, please leave a positive review on my Trustpilot profile. The details are in the email. And remember to book your free chat with our Shopify experts to go through all of the elements mentioned in the critique, learn how to fix them, learn how to drive more free traffic to your website, and convert visitors into paying customers. So don't miss this opportunity. It's 15-minute non-obligation chat with a Shopify expert. Book it now. The details are in the email. Thank you so much for your time. It was Maggie from Rock Paper Copy. Chat with you soon. Bye-bye.